welcome to my channel. Today we're having a look at a room tour of Legacy Vacation Club in Kissimmee. So you can see that is where you check in. On the right hand side of the road as you come down, some of the buildings are on the opposite side of a busy road, and that's not ideal, so try and make sure that you end up with an apartment on the same side as reception. That way you're close to the spa, the gym, the entertainment and the kids stuff.
Is a one-bedroom apartment, and you can see it comes with a full kitchen, and you'll get a toaster and a coffee machine and that. If you want to have a kettle, you'll have to ask. The fridges are good, they make ice, the microwave's fine, and it's quite spacious. Yes, it is a bit dated. You feel like maybe you've gone back to the 80s or 90s, but for what you're paying, what should you pay? Well, I would guess you should be looking to aim for something like $80 a night. You'll find it on all the usual hotel websites, and you can see out there is one of the pool areas. That's the main pool. There is limited entertainment. They have films and that sort of stuff, and bingo. And also, that's a hot tub, a very big hot tub, and there are a number of pool complexes around, and you can see you've got fountains and things there. There's no shop, so you'll have to go to nearby Walgreens for milk or anything like that. That area there is a little burger bar, but it's unbelievably expensive, and behind it is the pool bar, but it doesn't have draft beer or anything, so it may not be your cup of tea. Telly is very tiny by modern standards, but you do have one in the bedrooms as well. The air conditioning is effective and has been updated, so you've got a modern LCD display controller. There you can see the kitchen from the other area. We're very close to the 192, which is the heart of Kissimmee, and car parking and Wi-Fi are free. Okay, so let's have a look at the bedroom. You've got air conditioning and a fan. Maid service is once a week, so you have got a washer dryer, so you'll be doing your own laundry, etc. You've got a cupboard there with some storage space, and it also has the aircon unit. There's another teeny tiny telly and a safe that's covered in the $2.99 per day resort fee. Oh yeah, you might need some windscreen wipers. So I'll put links to the facilities that's at Legacy on a separate video. Please like, share and subscribe, and come back for a whole lot more here on this channel. Cheerio.